In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find unread emails in Gmail. Whether you're a regular user of Gmail or you're just starting, keeping track of your unread emails can be really handy. It helps you prioritize important messages and stay organized. Let's dive into the process step by step to make sure nothing is missed. Firstly, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Gmail. You can do this by typing gmail.com into the address bar and hitting enter. Once there, sign into your account if you're not already logged in. You'll see your inbox, which may look a bit cluttered if you have a lot of emails. To efficiently find those unread messages, we need to refine our search a little bit. Next, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface. This is your powerful tool for filtering and finding emails swiftly. Now, type "is unread" into the search bar. It's important to type it exactly as it is, without quotes, otherwise Gmail might not understand what you're trying to do. Once done, hit enter or click on the magnifying glass icon. You're instructing Gmail to fetch all the unread emails in your inbox. At this point, your inbox should display only the unread emails. Isn't that neat? This can help you quickly catch up on any messages you might have missed. If you're overwhelmed by the number of unread emails, it's time to get organized. Consider marking important emails with a star or moving them into designated folders for easy access later. Now, should you ever want to revert to your regular inbox view, simply clear the search bar by hitting the X icon or deleting the text you entered and hitting enter again. This would take you back to your complete inbox view. Here's a pro tip. To continuously stay ahead of unread emails, consider archiving or deleting the read ones that you don't need anymore. It keeps your inbox decluttered and manageable, allowing you to spot unread emails at a glance in the future. Making the most of this feature can truly enhance your email management strategy. It's all about simplifying your workflow and staying on top of important communications. Remember, consistent email habits can save you both time and stress. That wraps up our guide on finding unread emails in Gmail. I hope you found these tips helpful and easy to follow. If you have questions or need more guidance, feel free to delve deeper into Gmail's features. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing.